You also are a student. How did this suddenly come to be? There you are working for your own academic progress, and you get up and come to India having started this movement. What happened? How did it trigger it?
I had just graduated and completed my master's, and after that I just saw the Chief Justice of India made a comment where he compared the youth with cockroaches and parasites for criticizing the system. And I just made a tweet on that. How can the Chief Justice of India can make a comment where he compares the youth with cockroaches and parasites? And after that, the whole thing blew up. Many people started reposting, resharing that tweet. And after that, that led me to the idea, why not launch a parody party, political party, which could be called as the Cockroach Janata Party, taking inspiration from the same word that the Chief Justice of India used to mean the youth. And that particular satirical political party gained huge traction. And then we launched our social media platforms for that parody political party. But within 4 days, the Indian government banned those social media accounts on Twitter by calling me a national security threat. And I was an international student, an Indian student in the US. I was there on an Indian passport, and my own government was calling me a national security threat, someone who has lived his entire life in India, someone who has studied in the country and who has just came to the US in just last 2 years. So I was very disappointed, very disheartened. More than that, I was heartbroken that the government of my own country was calling me a national security threat. And that is why I chose to come back to my country and to prove that I'm not a national security threat. If anything, I'm a patriot and I love my country, just not in the way this government expects me to, but I do love my country.